Welcome to Volubit Lubricant Industries Private Limited for a solution of wonderful engine, where technology meets trust and precision drives performance. Our journey begins inside a well-organized workspace built for speed, focus, and results. Led by innovation, backed by experience, and driven by a team that delivers nothing but excellence. Across India, from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, Volubit powers engines in every region. Step into our modern manufacturing unit, where technology meets craftsmanship. It all starts with precise chemical blending, tailored for maximum engine performance. Each batch goes through rigorous lab testing, ensuring top-tier quality and safety. Brand labeling is swift and sharp, made to reflect the power inside. Filled with accuracy, sealed for purity. Every bottle is checked for leakage and exact weight. No compromise. Then it's packed, boxed, and moved to our clean, organized storage. Ready for dispatch. Volubit offers a wide range of automotive and industrial lubricants, engine oils for bikes, cars, and heavy-duty vehicles, gear oil, hydraulic oil, and CNG oil, brake oil and high-grade coolants, and beyond that, industrial and textile oils, industries and automotive grease, diesel filters and brake shoes, and auto parts. Every drop enhances engine life, reduces wear, and boosts performance. Volubit means reliability, durability, quality you can feel. Choose Volubit Lubricant Industries, power that moves you forward. Contact us today. Volubit Lubricant Industries Private Limited, +9 18460381603. Lot number 28 to 32, Shiv Vakti Industrial, Village Saki, Karodra to Palsana Road, Surat, Gujarat, India. Website www.volubit.in and mail us on care.volubitlubricants@gmail.com.